Hey, what's up, everybody? Good evening. How are we doing? Just getting everything rocking and rolling here. So, it looks like we've been selling off here. What the heck? Big sell-off to finish the day here. Good evening. Kyle, first in the chat, 10:30. A man gotta sleep. Yeah, I know, right? Miss K in the house. Hey, Miss K. Ryan Entourage, what up? Anyone catch those next gen accounts? I haven't. Almost forgot it's Thursday night. LOL, Chris. Hey, Keith Smith. Good evening. Miss K all day. Party time. Hey, Brannet's in the house. Hey, what's up? Red's everyday dog training down by 1 point. Well, that's not bad. Quack quack. Jaded T, good evening. How are you? Topple Fiddle. Jerry Trades, good evening. And a great sell-off it was. Super clean. You know, I did take a momentary look at it earlier back when we were at around 29,625, and I was like, man, is this a buy right now? But I just couldn't trust it. You know, we're below the VWAP, we're below the point of control. So I was going to wait. I was hoping that we are going to, well, I was thinking if it's going to be a buy, I wanted to get back above the point of control. And you know, start heading towards value area high. But I was cooking dinner, so I haven't eaten yet, but check it out. Steak, corn, quinoa, and then a green salad. So sorry for the delay. I was trying to finish up cooking dinner here. We're all the way down to the value area low. So I'm like, what are we going to do now? We're going to have to try to figure out where the heck this thing's going to turn around, right? We hit previous day low in the New York session. So, or are we just going to continue lower? Is that what's going to happen here? Let's see. We do have a 1 hour. We have a 1 hour bullish fair value gap down at 292, which is still quite a bit of space. So I guess we'll have to wait for some sort of a bounce, or I don't know if this thing's just going to continue plummeting on, like, these last two 1 hour candles have been straight down. So, hey, Jonathan, I'm looking to get into real estate. I know it's different in but what would you say has helped sales the most? Where do you live, Jonathan? I mean, if you can believe in what you're selling, it's definitely easier to sell, right? So if you believe in yourself that you want to like help people find their like dream property, or you know, whether you're working in commercial real estate or residential, you know, if you can just, you know, put the belief behind it, people are going to believe you, right? So in Cali, nice. Yeah, the US has some really good good commission structures. 6%, I think. You can make a lot of money, especially if you're selling houses in California. Yeah, I don't really know much about the California real estate market or how to get licensed for your California real estate, but it can be definitely a very rewarding job. But I would say also, if you're looking for a brokerage, right, make sure you do your research. Don't just join the first brokerage that you find, right? And try to find one with sort of like a mentorship, like someone who can back you up. So I don't know if they have EXP in the US, but I'm with EXP a brokerage called EXP, and I think that they might even be in the States, right? So let me just take a quick look here. And if they are, I can definitely get you a referral over to them. They're a great company. They have their own, yeah, nice, yeah. So I mean, I would definitely recommend EXP. And if you use me as a referral, That would be awesome. But no, they have mentorships. They have a lot of support, a lot of online like events. Like every day there's like cold calling sessions, or like follow-up sessions, training. Like for example, tomorrow I'm going to like a realtor event where it's like heading out for like a night out basically. So every Friday they have like the last Friday of the month, the third or the fourth Friday of the month, I don't remember exactly, maybe it's the third Friday of the month, they do like an event. It's kind of like a meet and greet. You go, you get some free food, and you get to meet other realtors and people in the industry come and talk. So I would definitely recommend EXP. I was with Sutton. Sutton is a good company also, but they just don't have the same levels of like support that I've found from EXP. So yeah, and it's pretty awesome because like it's kind of an interesting situation because like for example, if I refer you, then it's kind of like an interesting commission structure where a little bit of the commission, so it's a commission split, like a 80-20 commission split, I think. And obviously the 20% goes to the business to keep it going and everything, but small amounts of that goes to whoever refers you to the company. So it's a good thing. So if you start getting some realtors to join EXP also, then it kind of like a little bit of money funnels up, and you can also get stock with the company. So once you hit your sales targets, they give you stock and stuff. So there's multiple ways to like generate income from real estate and not just from sales, right? That's a good question. So I have been getting some leads, yes, but they're kind of like referred from people that I've kind of associated myself with, because if they're not in my area, right? So you can definitely, I mean, I don't know exactly how it works down there, but I'm assuming it would be the same. So if you're like, if the realtor, like say you join a team, or you have a mentor and like they don't work in your area necessarily, they'll definitely send you referrals out that way. And thank you for the super chat, Jonathan. Appreciate that. Awesome. Yeah, it looks like we're not going to stop going down here, guys. This is a 4-hour bullish fair value gap, actually, also down here at 322. And man, this thing just wants to go straight down, hey? Straight down. This is a 1 hour, but the 4 hour looks almost the same. Hey, you're welcome. Thank you. Yeah, so if you want, I don't know how the licensing works in the States, but our licensing is pretty interesting here. Like I had to go and basically write an exam and everything to get my license. So Greg, the last couple months has been pick a spot, click buy, and make money. This week has been exactly opposite. Yeah, it's been going down, right? What's for dinner? Oh, you really want to know? Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. Steak, quinoa, and corn. And then kale salad. Sorry that I'm always eating on stream, guys. It just happens to be like the only opportunity I get a chance to like actually eat. So but hey, it's real life, right? It's real life. Meant to ask you about your glasses. You said they were blue light blocking. Do they work well to eliminate eye strain? definitely, like, especially for me in the morning, like when I wake up, having it like a little more dim is like a godsend in the morning, just because my eyes are pretty sensitive, right? Whether or not they for eye strain, I think so, because it does dim it, and it helps with the blue blocker. But if you're straining your eyes, maybe you need like a prescription lens. I don't know. Well, I can't really chase price down here. We're coming up to a bearish or a bullish fair value gap here on the 4-hour chart or the 1-hour chart. So let's just mark it up real quick, just so we know where it is. Let's mark this bad boy up here. So we make this guy green and text, and it's I think I have a template actually. 4-hour fair value gap. Okay. So we're already in that fair value gap. So this might be, a turning point. And if it isn't, if we get an inversion, how long do we have? We still have, it's only like, what? Oh, it's on this. I'm like, what? It's only like 3 minutes left, but never mind. I'm totally off here. 3 hours left on this fair value or 4-hour candle. What about the 1 hour? Because technically this is a 1-hour candle or 1 hour. So let's label up this 1 hour for now. Actually, we'll change it to a 1 hour and just pay attention, because we got 13 minutes left here. So the 4 hours still like what, 3 hours away. So you like it dim too, but light off in my office is too dark. Yeah, exactly. And for me, like, I got a couple lights to brighten my face, so it definitely helps that. So, and they're pretty cheap. They're just off Amazon, not too expensive. Silver's been falling too. Hey, Lone Wolf, how you doing? Yeah, they definitely help. You won't regret getting them, that's for sure. And they're super cool, right? No. I originally got these guys. They're like a clear one, but I thought they made me look a little too nerdy. But they are blue blocking, so they help, but they don't. I like having the sort of a little bit of a tint, right? Good to hear, Lone Wolf. How are the dogs doing? Yeah, they look a little bit better, right? They get a little more cool. A little more cool. Almost long 30? What does that mean? You're going the half hour? You're gonna go long at the hour? Or something? Or 30 micros? They're keeping you on your feet? Yeah, of course. It's like no downtime for dad. You got to take him out. Right there, the previous day low. Like everything's showing me, Dave, go long. But really, I can't just take this long. This is a serious falling knife at the moment. So the time is long 30. Okay. I like 250 for a bounce. Yeah, I mean, we might dip out of the bottom of this fair value gap and then find support. But we did find really nice support there at the previous day low, which was kind of pretty close to the low of, what is this, Wednesday's low. It's almost long o'clock. Full port long at 29,300. Just kidding. I mean, it's a round level. It's a previous day low. We found support there before. It looks like we're doing the exact identical price action as this right here at the moment, right? Not quite, but you know, like pretty similar looking price. Trade your plan your trade. Yes, Tim. I concur. I mean, it's not really showing any sign of slowing down, so we're gonna have to just be patient here. I don't want to short it way down at the lows here. Now, what is there above? Let's take a look at if there's an above target. So there's a 1 hour bearish fair value gap here at 560s. What about the 4 hour? And you know, the 560s is basically 4 hour also. So let's label this guy up too, because this, you know, if we start getting momentum to the top side, maybe this is going to be the target. We also have one way up here and one way up there, so all the way to previous day high. And the way that this price has been going lately, I wouldn't be surprised if we just decided to reverse and head all the way up there. The same voice telling you to go long earlier. Yeah, I'm not going to go long. You know, it is in my ear though, saying like, just go long, but I'm not going to. I'm going to have to wait for some sort of a proper reaction here. Yeah, I know. Had a pretty rough one a few days back there. Yes, sir. Hey, Smoke I 1176. Hello, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream. Sorry, I missed your message there about 10 minutes ago. Hopefully I didn't lose you. Man, this steak turned out really good. How's beef prices in the States, guys? Beef in Canada is crazy expensive right now. Well, we might as well wait for the 15-minute candles here. I'm going to watch on the 15 for now. Expensive? Yeah. Outrageous? Yeah, I know. It's exactly the same here, guys. It is crazy. Don't feel bad. I did as well. Well, I don't want to hear that. I don't like to hear that. Looks like I'm not even on NQ on the book map here. There we go. Good thing we didn't just buy it there, hey? You just paid $18.99 a pound for full prime tenderloin. So like your one steak, how much was your one steak? Florida raised beef. Is that a decent price or is that expensive? I don't really know how to judge that. All the way down, right through the previous day low. I made chicken tenderloins on the grill tonight that turned out great, but I ate too much. Ouch. Yeah, I went to Costco today, and I think it was got 2 packs of meat, and it was probably almost $200 Canadian, like almost 80 bucks a pack. So 6 steaks, about 3 inches thick. Yeah, that sounds similar. Mine are, I don't think they're quite that thick. That one was only like probably 1.5 inches thick, maybe. I know, right? This thing is just not going to stop going down, is it? Your favorite butcher closed up? I didn't close up. I'm still here, brother. You stick with local Florida meat? Gotcha. I used to take my venison there to get sausage made. Nice. Oh, that's too bad that they're gone. Totally clean, no hormones or steroids. Grass-fed and grass-finished. Nice. That's the best. Bison's good, and elk. Because I'm on stream, I'm just gonna cut the corn off of the cob here and just eat it like that. Be a little bit easier than trying to hand hold it while I'm on stream. Because I'm on stream? Is it because I said? My apologies for eating on stream, guys. I apologize. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? You and your mom split a side of grass-fed beef from the butcher last year. It was $1,500 each and came out to about $13 a pound. Good for a mix of steaks, roasts, and beef stew beef. Oh, nice. That's cool. Long? You're looking at it long right now? Make sure you keep that tight though. Don't try to ride this for too long. I mean, not financial advice. This could turn around and bounce heavy for you, but nice. Yeah, exactly. If you're gonna take long, just quick scalps. Hi, I'm new here. You're an order flow trader, Errol. Yeah, so I use the book map, so I like to know where the orders are. I don't necessarily formulate my trades off of the book map, but I use the book map for like confluences to like where I should be taking profits, where the orders are. So if it's like a confluence. If I'm thinking long, if I want to go long, and I'm looking for a price to move up, then I'm looking to see if there's orders above. If there's orders above, I'm looking to take profits, around those orders typically. So yes, I definitely pay attention to order flow, but it's not like the main thing that I focus on for my trades. Is it just me or pretty dark on the upside of the? Yeah, definitely. There's no real price right now above because we just been going down, right? So the algos are kind of like playing it pretty tight. They're kind of like just stopping the order from bouncing a bit. They'll put them on a little bit, and then as price goes down, they just move the orders below. But yeah, so far the book is looking pretty empty. If scroll up further, we do have 98 contracts at 29,900 and 30,000, but that's quite a ways away. But you never know, right? We got value area high right there, 29,900, and 29,000 has 123 contracts. Let's take a look at the big dogs. 29,200 has 246 contracts. 29,125 below. So maybe we should be paying attention to the NQ book map. The MNQ just isn't that clear, but at least we have some potential targets here. Seems like it makes sense to watch the NQ right now. Yes, I do actually, Errol. Let me link you that. I have a way to like how I set up my trading view, how I use my indicators, and then a couple small examples on the trade. But if you want to see more examples, just tune into the live streams, and hopefully you can catch some of the trades. I don't know what we're gonna do tonight. There's no guarantee we're gonna get a trade tonight, but we're gonna try. We'll see. But yeah, I'll send you the link for that. It's trading view for beginners with setups and everything. So get a shareable link, copy to the clipboard. There we go. You said the big orange line below price, like down here, the 29,125. That's just more orders, but it's just not as many, right? So the darker the color is, typically the more orders. So there's 248 contracts at 29,200. And then below that, 29,125, there's 175. So it's just not quite as dark because it's some less contracts there. So. Yeah, 200 has 20. 200 below 29,200 has contracts. Oh, you're talking about the other one, 130 points below, or like 105 points below. Anyways, are you talking about the overall move here? We did more than 100, right? 472 points down, guys. That's just so savage. I gotta say, it's been a beast lately, guys. 400 points since I eyeballed it earlier. Well, it's just, you know, yes, I mean, wherever there's lots of orders, price typically likes to go. Now, it's not necessarily going to go straight there, right? We might end up bouncing back up to 300 and then rolling over, like, for example. We're getting so extended, though. I'll be waiting, basically. Like, it's hard for me to take a short down here. I'll be waiting for us to start making a decent move to the upside before, you know, before I'm looking to get into a short. So if we can bounce nicely and then find some resistance, say like we bounce up to 380 where the value area low is, and we get a rejection, or maybe, I mean, we could potentially watch 29,300. If we bounce up there, stall out, find some resistance, then maybe we can try to get into a trade and target the 200s. Maybe something like this. Put our stop above there. Pretty, not that much space though, hey? Or, well, it's a 1-to-1. It's a 1-to-1, basically. Hey, Drew 69 Malibu. Good evening, all. $70 to pass a Lucid eval. I passed a TPT one the other night and was shocked when I had to pay another 130 to activate to pro. Oh, but you didn't have didn't you have the no fee deal, Drew? You didn't sign up with the no fee, Drew? No fee 40 or no fee 50 code? Because if you did, then you should have got a token. They give you a token and you can activate it for free. Topo Fiddle, how you doing? Hey, Calico, what's up, buddy? Hey, Dave, what was the name of that real estate company you're affiliated with? EXP Real Estate. I think your Discord link has expired, or need an invite. No, it probably has expired. Let me share it to you right now. Sorry, I got two streams going. You're in the vertical one, so sometimes I miss the comments over there. So there's a link there for the Discord. If you wanted to, cool. If you want to join us on the full size stream, if you're on a phone, it makes sense. You can stay there. But if you want to join us on like the full size stream, there's a pinned comment there to bring you over to the full size stream. We have about 55 people watching right now in the full size stream. So no fee 40. Yeah, I thought I did. It was an older eval, so possibly not. You know, if you passed it, like, you can always message their what's it called, their support, message their support and be like, hey, I bought it with a no fee 40, how come I don't have a token kind of to activate it, and then see what they say. Unless you've already activated it, then I would follow up with them anyways to see if you can get a token. So no, EXP. Here's a link to the exprealty.com. Yeah, it does usually take a little time for that credit to show up. So I think you gotta wait kind of like to the next day, like what Rirish is Rishis. His Rishis. Oh, it's like delicious, but Rishis. Rishis. That's a good question, Drew. I'm not really sure about that. Usually if they have a no fee 40 deal going, I think that it would work the same as using somebody's code, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Hey Dave, I gotta go spend 7,000 in the morning. Ouch. For what? Property taxes? I wish I would have shorted 2 hours ago. I know. I was looking at price right when it was like bouncing after this this doji here. I was looking at it right here at 29,650. Oh, your lawn tractor died. You're buying a new one? Well, you could probably get one for less than that, can't you? But I guess it depends on how heavy duty or how, you know, what brand you want to get and stuff, right? Sounds like you're gonna get a good one though. Yeah, just send them the supporter ticket and just say, you know, I thought I should have a credit to activate my account, and hopefully they'll be like, tell you whether or not. Why isn't Price taking those orders? You know, sometimes it stalls out, and you know, it might not take those orders, right? That might be the bottom. So occasionally there'll be orders like this, right? A whole cluster. And it just like makes it seem like Price wants to go there. But then it's sort of like what they would call like an iceberg order. So if you imagine like an iceberg, you know how only a bit of the tip of the ice is out of the water, right? So this could be them just showing orders, but then they just keep buying market once Price gets down to 225. So you never know, it might turn around. This could be the turning point. Or what it is people are just taking profits ahead of those orders. So we're going to get like, you know, a 15, 20, 30 point bounce, and then they're going to like build a little momentum to head down to those orders. So it could be either of those. So I would wait, you know, like I wouldn't just jump on any idea here, you know, like I would just wait for some more confirmation as to what is going to happen here. But sometimes they need to like build the momentum to be able to like blast through it, right? The wife says, I cannot buy a used one. I have to buy new. I was shocked. Oh, hey, that's good news. That's good news when you're getting support like that, right? But I mean, you don't like which kind were you getting? Did you say? No, you didn't say. Are you getting like a Husqvarna or something like that, or like something that's like really expensive? Because 7,000 seems pretty expensive to me. Like you should be able to get one for like 3,000, right? I feel like. But I guess it depends on how Mac Daddy you can get. This corn is stellar. Oh, John Deere. Yeah, John Deere's good. Yeah, this corn's like super sweet. Very impressed. Hey, Clee. Hi. It also has a snowblower attachment and a bagger system. Nice. Okay, well, sounds like you're picking the Mac Daddy lawnmower up, right? I think Tim, I think your wife is happy that you've been taking such good care of her, as I'm sure you have been, knowing that what she's been going through. So, you know. Well, we are getting a bit of a bounce here. What did we, 226? We're all the way up to 265 now. Now, whether or not, you know, this is what I'm saying here. Let's see what happens. If we're going to get a rejection of previous day low, or what's the deal here. So, oh, Clee, you're down 520 tonight? You've been trying to take some longs on this push down, or what? Or you got chopped up in this earlier price action? I did tell the wife she needs to learn how to use it. She said we won't have any trees left in the yard. Well, Clee, just don't force anything, right? You don't need to get it all back today. I mean, you've made really nice trades, right? Your intuition was wrong for one time. I mean, it happens. It happens. But yeah, just don't try to force it getting it back, right? Let the trades happen, you know. And if your intuition's off once in a while, like, it's fine. And you don't really have to take any more trades too. Sometimes it's good to just like lock it in, forget about it, you know, lock in the loss and just wait for the next trading day or whatever. No need to force it or rush it, right? It's good advice that I need to follow sometimes too. Oh, you blame it on the jet lag? AXP 767 Butch, what's up? What's good, baby? Am I blushing? I don't know. I don't know how to respond to that, but thanks. You'll blame it on the jet lag from flying back to you went back to Florida, right? Okay, Tim, you have a great night. Thanks for hanging out. Even silver's bouncing a bit here. Let me see the silver. Oh, wow. Bounced a lot more than anything than NQ and ES, but yeah, it is bouncing. What's oil been doing? Gold bounced a bit. Oil's looking bearish. All the way down to 70. YM's bearish. Everything's pretty bearish at the moment. Top of Fiddle, you lost 1,000 trying to make 100 for a payout, and one of my funded still have lots to get that payout of just a setback. Yeah, I hate when that happens, right? It's when you think like, oh, all I need is this amount, and this is like a good area, I can just do it, right? You got to really try to be patient and you know, wait for your good trade, right? And if you're, you know, that close, maybe it's good to wait for the next day. Yeah, back in Boca for at least the weekend. Nice. I want to go to Boca. Mopar, holy F. I walked away and it was like 296 something before net. Oh, before dinner. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Mopar. Big time sell. You know, I was watching price. I walked away too, but I was watching price around 29,642 when I was looking at it. I was like, man, I wonder if this is a long or a sell, because we had just made this doji and had these two green candles, and it was around, yeah, so 650 area, and I had to leave, so I was away from the charts. And then, you know, when I came back, we were already down at like 382, so we dropped like almost, you know, 300 points. So Bart Simpson, head, hairline, and shoulders formed on the 1 hour. No, you can't doubt the Bart Simpsons, right? Eat my shorts, right? It is still 82 degrees right now. I love it. Wow, that sounds amazing. Love to go to the beach. Jesus, could have passed the eval on this. Holy man. Yeah, I know, right? Well, maybe we're gonna get a nice clean bounce tomorrow morning. We'll have to see what price does in the morning. How's the music, guys? Is it too loud? Funded with top one, no trades to take. Yeah, I mean, you got to be patient right now. That's crazy. Sub to you, man. Get the W's. Hey, thanks, Mopar. Appreciate that. If you want to join us, we have more people in the full size stream. You're in like just the vertical stream. I run that stream just to try to get more. You know, as people are flipping through their shorts, will pop up as a live. But if you hit the link in the chat there, you can come on over. We got about 70 people watching currently in YouTube on the other side. So, oh, USA's. So you guys can't hear the music right now? Arcane, Topple Fiddle losing 1,000 to make 100 seems pretty bad. You know, Arcane, it's just how it happens sometimes, you know, like it starts off trying to make 1,000 or make 100, and then you take, you know, you stop it out and you lose 200, and then you try to make 300, and then it just like ends up, and it's just a psychological thing. It's like whenever you're close to that payout, it's like you almost need to forget that you're close to the payout and just like consider your trade in a different way. So your TV has a game on. Nice. I have the music set to 21 right now, so I don't know how loud it's coming through to you guys, but top again. And yeah, didn't get the bounce that I was looking for there. Gonna have to try to be patient here. It's like I'm in the club downtown. Is that a good or a bad thing, Klee? This is a pretty good song though, right? Isn't it? Let's get it pumped up in here, everybody. Get out of your seats. Get some like movement going. Get energized. Feel good. Energy's up. Blood's flowing. We're gonna get ready for this trade that's coming up here. Yeah, sometimes you can't think about how much cash you need. Just think about how many points you need. Yeah, I mean, lots of people cover up their P&L, right? Some people cover up their P&L and it works good for them. But I just mean there's just a psychological thing. Like if you're like, oh, I need $100, and you're like, well, I can probably easily get it here. But that's like, you know, like that's probably sometimes you can like sort of like talk yourself into the wrong trade, thinking that, well, this looks like a place where I can just make $100, right? Rather than really waiting and waiting for like your best setup, right? So if you ever get to $100 to away from a payout, you should be like really patiently waiting for your very best setup, right? Let's make a song on stream, guys. What do you think? Should we make another song on stream tonight? Everybody start saying things in the chat that are like interesting or different or whatever, and we'll see if we can make a song out of the chat. Throw out your best one-liners, guys. Hey, let me ask a question. When you're funded and it says you need 1,500, can you have more, or is it? Yeah, of course you can have more. As long as your consistency is fine, right? So if and it, you know, like it depends on your rules as to like what, like how much you're allowed to withdraw. But yeah, there's never a problem with having more if you're in a funded account. Hey, hi L, what's up? Nikai now sold off and off all the MU earnings. Nice. Nice part about futures is the instant settlement of funds. It makes scalping easier. Yeah, for sure, Chris. You were looking for a quick buck, ended up coming out with a quack duck. You're not very interesting, Clee. I don't believe that. I don't know. Something about that comment makes me not believe you. I really can't see that. I don't buy it. Market Butcher followed me on IG. Actually, you? Yeah, probably. Yes, I did. Yes, I got suggested your name. Payout and split says 1,500. Is that the minimum or maximum? Payout and split say 1,500. Which firm are you with? Are you talking about? You can't get the last $2 to pass your combine? I've been there, Philly. I had 50 cents left to pass an eval once. If you can believe it. That's the closest I've been. I closed a trade and it was like 50 cents under. Force. Most interesting thing I've done this week is go on a UTV ride in the desert for the first time. Oh, that sounds fun. That sounds fun. Stupid range? Yeah, I wouldn't be trading this just yet, right, guys? One good thing is that we're stalling out here, so this could end up being a turn in direction here. We got the hourly. We passed the hourly candle a while ago. 30 minutes left here. A little over 30 minutes for the hourly, and we still have 2 hours and 2.5 hours on the 4 hour. Go USA. Did they score right now or what? Hey guys, this song that I'm about to play is like a Drake style remix song. So I made it based on Drake's song. It's tied 2-2. Wow, that's a tight game. I watched the Canada and Switzerland football game. What was that? Soccer game, sorry. Yesterday. Football. I'm calling it football like I'm a European. Yesterday, and I went to a pub and I got a Heineken in a glass boot, and it's like you get to keep the boot, like it's like a soccer boot. Pretty good. You were in Tucson cleaning my mom's house out and went to the desert into the foothills. I didn't finish that, so it was kind of a random comment. No worries, bro. No, sounds like fun though. Das Boot. STFU. Price is gonna go try to take those orders at 200 now or what? I don't need 20 indicators on screen, just value areas in a plan that's clean. While they buying every breakout move, I'm waiting where the institutions choose. Value area high, value area low. Market tells a story if you already know. Most traders listen after it's too late, then blame manipulation instead of their fate. Foosball, football, or football. Soccer. Bear flag? Kind of looks like it, right? Yeah, Philly, I got a little booty. How's the Kospi doing? What's the Kospi, David? Oh, Kospi, is that the type of food? I think you were talking about that the other day, right? Everybody wants to pay out today. Nobody wants to learn the patient way. Globex open, volume thin, still enough for disciplined traders to win. One good setup, all that we need. It's always about the booty. Sports fed. Korean market. Ooh, nice. I love me some Korean food. One of my favorites is that it's like a seafood pancake. Pretty thick. And I have like all different types of seafood in there. Oh, that's so good. And then I also like to go to Korean barbecue, where you like sit in front of a grill and they bring you all these like marinated meats and you just grill it right in front of you. Korean market index. Oh, gotcha. Here I'm talking about like Korean food, like a market for food. I don't trade the Kospi, so oh, it's there now. Gotcha. Nice. Another Sunday. You're talking about Chris. Thanks for straightening me out there, Chris. He's talking about the Korean stock market that's down 8% right now. Wow. 8% is pretty crazy. That's correction territory, right? Clee, here's another one for you, another nightclub song. Another lesson. Another chart. Another night. Can I look up the Kospi on here? Where to see the book map? It's another platform. Yeah, Errol, it's a paid platform. You got to go. It's pretty expensive. It's about $80 a month. So, and I know Yeah, so if you go to bookmap.com, I think it's $40 a month to have their software, and then you got to also pay for the data for it, which is about another $40 for their like bundle package. So you get like the CME, the CBOE, the BMD, or sorry, not BMD, CBOT and CME, yeah. And I think there's another one, right, for the commodities. MGC, is it MGCQ? And Comex, yes. BMD, baby. Mama drama. Baby mama drama. Korean barbecue is delicious, but Japanese barbecue, yeah, I've had that also. Like when I've been to London, I traveled to London a couple times. I had this like Japanese barbecue restaurant. Oh my god, so good. But I'd say they're very similar. So we're all the way down here, down to the 200s. See, this is what I was talking about. Whoever was asking about it earlier. We're going to often just, they got to bounce it a little bit, build a little bit of momentum, and then try to take those orders. So far, they haven't got to the 200 level. So
oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. If you ain't ready, NQ dirty, E is clean. The setup always looks obvious after the screen. One more level, one more trade, one more lesson.
Hey, we got 80 people watching the stream right now, 72 people in YouTube, 8 in X. How we doing on the likes, guys? We're gonna try to get to 75 likes, and then we'll do that a couple more duck races for some extra duck entries into the Sunday giveaway. Crossed over the 1,580 subscriber level. For food, don't understand the hibachi. I like Psycho Sushi Lounge here. Oh yeah, well, who doesn't like sushi, right? Can't go wrong with like some nice fresh raw salmon, or even a lot of their cooked dishes. I love me some sushi. Hey, we got 22 likes so far. Look at that, right through those orders, guys. Lasted right through the 200s. Pretty high volume push. Hibachi is goated. Yeah. Phil, I won't be long in this now. They have a good hibachi too. Doesn't have to be raw. Oh yeah. Well, I also like what's that other oishi sushi, where they like sear it. Oh, that's so good too. Total glorious dump day. Yep. NQ is not stopping here. Kyle, come down and we'll go bring Dave if you want. I'd love to. Let's do it. We'll do a good old trader meetup. Yes, tanking, and then oh, this could be a strong sign though, guys. Like if we start printing some like green candles here, this could be sort of like the start of a V recovery. Whoever asked that, are you gonna long now? Man, you guys, I hope you took a long there. Speedos only on the beach? Okay, yeah, I'm down. Although I am Canadian from the north, so I am a little light-skinned. Let's just put it that way. Maybe I gotta go hit the tanning booth before I come down there. Especially in the Speedo area. Yeah, a little pasty. I don't have a nice beach like you do, where I can just like go cruise down and just like hang out in the beach all day, right? Like I got a farmer tan, you know. I live on a farm, you know. I got like, you know, it's like shorts, pure white underneath. My upper body's pretty tanned, but like, and my lower body's pretty tanned, but you know, it's like from the gum boots to the knees, that's nice and tanned. No, I'm just joking. I don't wear gum boots, but I say that now. I might sneak in later. You're out for the night. Keep the music coming at Frankfurter. Yeah. Yeah, no, I tan pretty easily too, but I just don't get enough sun. Especially in that area, the Speedo area. Yeah, I do have lakes that I can go to, but yeah, it's just not the same as having like a nice sandy beach. If I was in Florida or Mexico or somewhere tropical, I'd be on the beach like every day. No tan lines here? You're just kidding? You're naturally tanned? Prove it, prove it. No. Yeah, just have Clee wear shades before the reveal just to dim it, to make it all darker, right? Yeah. Yes, 600 on that trade. Nice job, Red. Beautiful trade, man. I mean, I do like this candle here. This could be the start of the change in direction. $100-point bounce there. You'll change your profile pic? Be right back. YouTube will ban me. You can always send it to me on Discord. I won't show anyone, I promise. Looking for a long all night and took micro. Sad. So you did take a micro there, Phil? I mean, be patient here. We might get a lot more. So hit consistency on the 50K flex. Now I'm here for the duck race. Nice. So you're in a eval, Miss K, right? Because I think the flex doesn't have consistency. Oh yeah, 50% on the eval. Nice. Because the funded is no consistency, right? So I'll make sure to bring them, Jerry. Yeah. Don't worry. I'll make sure I go get a tan before I come down. I'll go to the tanning beds a couple days, you know, over a few over a week or so. Build up a little bit of a tan. Get that London, grimy London rap here going. We got 7 people in the vertical stream. Welcome everybody. If you want to join us in the full size stream, feel free to hit the pinned comment there. It'll bring you across. And then if you're once you get into the full size stream, there's another pinned comment that can take you to the Discord. If you go into the Discord, scroll down to the giveaway channel. Once you get in the giveaway channel, scroll to the very top. You'll be able to find a form there for a giveaway. And we give away one 25K eval from Lucid every Sunday. Because of the volatility, I went to 30-second chart for an entry into this trend. Before the volatility, I used to use 2-minute chart. Wow. So did you take a long there, Mick? That's how you lose. Over leverage, you pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term. Respect the steps. Trade like an adult. Don't move reckless. Space hit slap. Get the growth stay endless. VWAP hold. We don't guess this. FVG fill them. We press it. NQR, but we stay composed. ES cleaner. Yeah, everybody knows. Started a new 15-minute candle here. Is this thing gonna go all the way to the previous day high? Market butcher. Mustang trader. Base hits only. I kind of wonder if we can do this, actually. Oh, not that. There's really not a whole lot of space, and there's, you know, where do you put your stop here? You got to at least go to there. There's 50 points. Yeah, no value in this trade. Not even going to think about it. Sort of. I did long option strategy. Okay. Dust on the sneakers, city lights flicker, late night thinkers, crate digging rhythm hitters, yeah. Back when the tape deck click with the static sound, dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition, cold nights, warm beats, survival was the mission. Chess moves, not checkers when the pressure came around. Built from the pavement where the hunger hold it down. No chain talk, no flex, just work in the booth. Trying to turn hard lessons into something called truth. Raise it up for the one still chasing. A credit put spread. Nice. So you can put options on futures any time of the day. No shortcuts taken or earned with persistence. Made the hard road famous just by staying consistent. Beat knocks heavy while the memory spin. Another round, another verse. Let the session begin. Guess the stop would have to be up there. You can target the lows here. Maybe like 180 to be conservative. That's a 112 to 88 point stop. I mean, I don't love it. I don't love it. Maybe if we can get up to here. With summer months coming up, less volume, do you tend to scalp more, Dave, or still end up holding trades the same? Yeah, it really depends on the day, Jerry, because we're still going to get some decent trending days, right? So on choppier days, I'm probably going to be try to be more aggressive on taking profits. And if we're looking like we're making really solid, strong moves for clean moves, then I'll probably try to find some bigger trades. So I'm that's kind of a mixed answer, but yeah. Red, you can't trade it all tomorrow? Oh, you can do that 23 hours a day. Okay, just like trading futures contracts, right? Gotcha. Very nice, very nice.
when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition. Cold nights, warm beats, survival was the mission.
Trying to finish up my quinoa.
When the pressure came around, built from the pavement where the hungry hold it down. No chain talk, no flex, just work in the booth. Trying to turn hard lessons into something called truth. Raise it up for the ones still chasing. Dust on their shoes, but their vision stays blazing. From the basement speakers to the city skyline, built it one bar at a time. That grind line, yeah. Old soul rhythm with the vinyl crack texture. Street light glow with the poet type lecture. Every scar got a story, every loss got a page. Turn the pain into fuel.
Yeah, be careful. Tomorrow is Friday, so maybe tomorrow is not the best day to be aggressive. I mean, in this current market, we can trade one micro and still make decent money.
Let the session begin. Yeah. Concrete session. Dust on the sneakers.
Like, I want to trade this back down to the lows, but we've been making so many of these wicks on the bottom side here, and they're pretty big. So the buyers are definitely defending this level. What's our 1 hour candle doing here? We got 10 minutes on this 1 hour candle. So if we end up inverting this fair value gap, the 1 hour fair value gap, that could be definitely good for the bears. Next week, the CME group comes out with cash settlement MNQ MES options. No more fear of being assigned the futures contract. Gotcha. Consistency met on 2 accounts. Nice. Good job. Good job. Buy at the bottom and sell at the top. That's how you play this job. Yeah. Oh, you passed an account this morning with us? Nice. Yeah, today we had some pretty good trades in the New York session. Some nice bangers, multiple, 50, 100-point runners. So oh, you got like half the first half. Nice. Old soul rhythm with the vinyl crack texture. Street light glow with the poet type lecture. Every scar got a story, every loss got a page. Turn the pain into fuel when you step on the stage. No shortcuts taken or earned with persistence made the hard road. We got the 9, well, I guess a midnight candle coming up soon. I'm not really sure what we should be doing here, you know, like I don't know that this is going to be the right place to take another short. With the amount of support we've been finding here down at the 240s, 250s. 40-point bounce there. I was looking at that long a little bit earlier. Just feel like the risk to reward isn't really there. Raise it up for the ones still chasing. Dust on their shoes, but their vision stays blazing. From the basement speakers to the city skyline, built it one bar at charts up, coffee hot, Bona candles loaded, Mustang trade in the pre-market. Pretty big pump here. We still have 175 contracts down at 29,125 though. That gas explosive. Let's work. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. Each session high while the chat decide. Bona candle print and the bears all high. Market, but you can't keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FEG flip and the FEG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. You don't trust this not to go lower? I mean, we are super bearish, but it's just like, where is the bounce going to end is the question, right? So we get in too early here, and then you got to like either face too much drawdown or get stopped out. So Caden Hunt, are you doing any giveaways? I low-key blew my pundit account today. Shoot. Sorry to hear that, bro. We won't be giving away an account today, but if you want to get in on a giveaway, I don't have that many accounts. I give away one every Sunday. So if you want to get in on the Sunday giveaway, there's a pinned comment there in the bottom of the chat. That'll take you to the Discord. Head over to the Discord, fill out the form for the giveaways for Sunday, and you can possibly get in there. So, wow, guys, this is a pretty strong bounce right now. Now I can't even really short this unless, like, I don't know. I don't really see us stopping now. At what point are we gonna stop here? You know, the VWAP's all the way up here. But we got 5 minutes till the hour, so all I hear is giveaway, free accounts for everyone who likes. But yeah, definitely head into the Discord, go to the giveaway channel, scroll to the top of the giveaway channel, and then you'll be able to fill out the form there, and that's how you can enter into the Sunday giveaway form. What do we do here, guys? Like, I don't know. Finally got our way back into the value area. We're above previous day low, but we're still below previous value area low. So give the fans what they really want. 1 month free of your OnlyFans. Yeah. Yeah, if only I had an OnlyFans, right? Then I'd probably be making lots of money. No. Nobody wants to see the butcher in the OnlyFans, bro. 3 accounts and my dumb ass will fall asleep again. Clee. No, I don't. Should I? If you ain't ready, Mustang trader, market but your crew, base hits forever, that's what we do. You'll share some of my feed pics in the yeah. Protect the evil. Respect the stop. So we're on 30-second chart. It has been looking cleaner than the 1 minute. Really? Well, I mean, in that case, yeah, I can always get one. No. If the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a bone and Campbell. Don't twist my arm. Don't twist my arm. Just stay right in the house. What's up, buddy? Hey, Richard Ballman, what's up? Hey, yeah, the channel's growing. Yeah, we're 117 people watching right now. We got 106 people in YouTube and 8 people in X. Welcome, welcome, everybody. We got 6 people in the vertical stream. Your long MNQ from 29,262. If only we had something to talk about with trading. Yeah? Yeah. What is this song? I'm just now hearing the lyrics. This is an AI song that I made. It's called NQ is Dirty. It's about how NQ is just so dirty. It's going to stop you out. It's going to take your money. Next candle ripping market acting crazy. Now it's not. While the breakout fly, then ask the room, ATH again tonight. Yo, Jim Blab like ESS and high. Then later screams. It's getting deep in here. Miss Kane 11 throwing trophies in the crowd. Ain't the season asking 3-minute chart. Execution sharp, gotta trust your art. Pavan calling levels 81 too high. 585 break it while resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. 1 micro today can become a house built. Mr. No move fine. Tilt. Don't chase the thrill, cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. I think Keith Matthew meant order flow. Quick Discord general chat if you don't believe me. What is it? Let me see. Oh my god. Oh, what the hell is that, dude? Oh my god. That's pretty hilarious.
Everybody laughing while the candles fly. Like holiday snooze fest, maybe then like hell dot bar stream joke.
Jay's like,
Don't forget your social number joke. Mother's made a name.
what is that? You only took one wrong. It's already up 200. Nice job, Keith. Or sorry, Richard. Why did I say Keith? I know I should yeah, coulda, shoulda, woulda. As soon as I saw that big wick, I was like, man, this is probably going to be the reversal time. It's just hard to trust it to not to go lower here at some point. Dirty. Do you think any of CT's harem are a smoke show like Klee? What's CT's? You close your long at 320, FOMO is setting in. Then just lock it out for a bit. Yeah, who is CT? That's the question. Rips another 3 feet. MNQ is dirty, and the whole chat knows. Sometimes it dumps, sometimes moonshot goes. Mr. Move fine, another one shows. Market but your gang, just stick to the flows. Oil slippery, gold heavy. Net gas. If you ain't ready. I was yesterday. This morning was good. This morning was a good trading session. Previous day low 296 area, maybe like a 300 TP. Another stream named Clay Trader. Oh yeah, I know Clay Trader. Clay's awesome. If the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a Bone and Campbell. Did it get blocked? Yeah. Charts up. Coffee hot. Bona candles loaded. Mustang trade in the pre-market. You got banned from that channel? What? Because you didn't tell them the exact trade? You didn't say the entry, the take profit, and the stop loss? Please? Make sure you gotta tell them the entry, the stop loss, and the take profit, or else, you know. He's a pig. Clay is a narcissist fool. Yeah. I've spent some time trading, watching that channel. That's for sure. I used to watch him a lot back when he was like just doing his like stock recaps. How worth is Bookmap if that's what it is? Yeah, Bookmap is awesome, man. It's great. I love it. Plays a bit to take, yeah. Don't chase the thrill, cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat decide. Boner candle print and the bears all hide. Market put your gang. That beer gives me the creeps, but I digress. When I grow up, I am buying my own Bookmap. I love it. How long you trade, do ETFs buy? Then MNQ sneeze right after mentioning it live. Everybody laughing while the candles fly. Like holiday snooze fest, maybe then like hell dot bar stream joke. Going crazy, don't forget your social number joke. Clay likes ranting? Yes, he does. Sherelle, yes. I think people like almost like getting ranted by Clay. You know?
Imagine that lone wolf blue say oil dumping fast. Meanwhile, Chris Spy at TH tomorrow blast. NQ is dirty, 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 dirty,
Dirty.
NQ is dirty, 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 dirty.
Yeah, he's entertaining, yeah. Especially when he rips people new buttholes. I was watching one time and he refers to himself as a Greek god, and I think he's serious. Yeah. We got 37 likes on the stream so far.
Rips another 3 feet. NQ is dirty, and the whole chat knows. Sometimes it dumps, sometimes moonshot goes. Mr. Move fine, another one shows. Market but your gang, just stick to the flows.
This is a good pullback. Are you looking for a long, Richard? Or are you waiting for you think it's gonna pull back further? You thinking an inversion of the 15-minute fair value gap could be an entry back down? I feel like if we're gonna get a rejection here, this value area low might be a key level for rejection here. So that's kind of like what I'm sort of looking at right now. So just like a continuation to the move down on the 15-minute bearish fair value gap here. Maybe back down to the 300s or even further. But if we were to invert this to the bullish side, you know, like I would be getting out of this trade, right? So
Charts up, coffee hot, Bona candles loaded, Mustang trade in the pre-market, market put you on the mic, oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive, let's work. NQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat decide. Bona candle print and the bears all high. Market but you can't keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FEG flip and the FEG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. Kai Donga yelling double top maybe. Next candle ripping market.
Got one there.
No, it's not. While the breakout fly. Then ask the room, ATH again tonight. Yojin blab like ES session high. Then later screams, thank you, dirty with the smile. Past the Lucid val, whoop, whoop, loud. Miss Kane 11 throwing trophies in the crowd. Ain't the season, asking 3-minute chart. Execution sharp, gotta trust your art. Have and calling levels.
if it holds, I'll add back in, but you're right, it might reject there. Yeah, I'm in one micro here. I'm up about 65 here. Hoping we're going to get some continuation. We need to get below this 322 level is kind of the first line in the sand. But, oh, I don't like that. Although it wasn't a huge amount of CBD there on that. So,
Trades asking Asia or NY. How long you trade? Do ETFs buy? Then NQ sneeze right after mentioning it live. Everybody laughing while the candles fly. Kyle like holiday snooze fest maybe.
Good evening, good morning, where you trading?
yeah, I'm not really liking that candle right now, guys. How's the volume? There's pretty high volume at the moment. Basically, if we get above the value area low, I'm probably going to cut this guy.
From Hong Kong to India, we all locked and drop. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. Hello in the chat, yeah, the squad pulling up. Weekend was waves, beer taste, and fill my cup. Ooh, early morning surf, yeah, the vibe too clean. Now we back at the charts, trying to read this screen.
This looks bullish to you, Justine, right? Yeah, I don't like this wick. It was you know, I was hoping for a pullback sort of back to the previous day low. But we'll have to see how this ends up playing out here. We do have this bearish fair value gap above at 373. So we still have orders down at 29,125. You didn't end my trade. Now I'm only down 315. I'm a stubborn girl. There you go. Nice. Nice trade. Nice patience. You got 3 to scale out with? Trust your setup. Please don't listen to me. Yeah, I mean, I kind of got an idea here. If we start getting above the 380s here, I'll probably cut this guy. It's only 1 micro, so not a whole lot of risk on it. Even if I were to let it go all the way here, it's 70 points. So that's like, you know, $140 on this trade. So I would like to even see if we can't get all the way back down to the 150 area, which is, you know, we got these orders at 125, but I would take profits before that. Maybe even like 175. If you cut risk on 1 micro, how would you do that? Half a micro? No. I just, yeah, you can't cut half a micro, right? I would just cut it if at a certain point, like if we get a strong closure above, you know, 380s here, then I'll just cut it before we get all the way up to the 69, you know, drawdown and $69 kind of idea. Okay. I thought you were serious. Measured retracement is 527, and coincidentally, it's a 30-minute view up. So I'm long with 200 points stop because I'm out, but then the position will be cut to reassess. Gotcha. Went long on mess, yeah, 7123 ATM dialed in, yeah, come trade like me, plus 600, yeah, she flexing the gains, silver in Asia, yeah, we running that game, market going for blood, yeah. It's after midnight here, and this girl needs her beauty sleep. Thank you for letting me hang out with you, everyone. Hey, it's our pleasure, Cleve. Of course it is. You have a great sleep, and I'll see you in your dreams later. Have a good night. You're up at 11:30 tonight. I saw my setup to go long and I didn't take it. Oh, damn. Missed it. Short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in drug. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. See or tomorrow, yeah, the chat logs off. Chart still moving. User LP7GX7XL4Z. Hey, I typically trade of the VWAPs, and I use the value areas for my entries or for my levels. And typically enter and exit on fair value gaps. So I'm currently taking a short here in a 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Looking for a move back down to this fair value gap, 29,292. Just a continuation of the sort of the move that we've been having going. That being said, we do have a 4-hour bearish fair value gap above, which could be a potential draw on liquidity. So I'm ready to cut this one pretty quickly if it starts bouncing too much on me. So I'm watching the value areas here. Value area low is my entry area, and then I'm targeting sort of either previous day low. If we stall out here, I might cut it. If not, I'll be looking for, you know, head back to the lows. So it kind of depends what happens when we get to the previous day low. If we end up getting bearish here. So BR. Draconex D. You added one? BR. What is BR? I must be an emoji or something. If you want to see here, I can link you. I can link you my video that I kind of do an explanation on my style, how I set up my charts and everything, and indicators that I use and everything. So that's a link to my YouTube channel that has my trading view set up, my indicators, my strategy, that kind of stuff. So a couple examples on some trades that I could take.
Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Oh, getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. CE market so choppy, man.
Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a
Hey, Char and WW Bar. What up? Jerry Trades, I like this. I like that facial expression from can't think of his name right now. Out of gold, good scalp. Nice. Gonna watch this in this fair value gap here for an inversion. We are looking bullish though at the moment, so I might need to cut this thing earlier. I really want to add to this trade right now, but I'm not going to because this is starting to look pretty bullish. Volume on this candle is going up pretty high, really quick. 2.7K contracts already.
Yeah. Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive.
Struggling with the value area low and also this bearish fair value gap. So, hey, Willy Wonka bar. Oh, I love the Willy Wonka bars. How you doing? Qualitativo. Hey, you're Spanish. Hey, Draconex D. Welcome, Willy. I'm in a short here, but it's not looking that good at the moment. If we get above the value area low here with the candle closure, I'm going to get out of this trade. But so far, we're holding this 5-minute bearish fair value gap and also holding below the value area low. Not loving this candle at the moment, but Euro USD. No, this is MNQ, the micro Nasdaq. So I don't trade Forex. Bitcoin, I own Bitcoin, but I don't trade it.
Yeah. Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Interest sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick.
Well, it looks like it might rip.
Then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out.
Oh wow.
Big wins, cool. Take
yeah, looking pretty strong.
Just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours.
What's your value area low tied to? Session, morning, New York session? So I use the previous day value areas levels. So the way I plot it is if you go to your 30-minute time frame, and then I use a session volume profile indicator, right? So we look back to the previous day. So 70% of the price range is right there. So the value area low 905, point of control 681, value area low 378, and that's kind of how I get my price level. I use previous day. I don't use the developing point of control from today's session because it's always moving around and stuff. It's something good you can look at, but I don't mark those levels. But I do have this one on the left side here, which is your visible range volume profile. So if you want to like kind of an accurate look as to what's going on currently, you can see where the most of the contracts are being traded. So it looks like our point of control is actually down at 29,252. So Keith Matthew, you get nothing, you lose. Good day, sir. Out of MNQ here, it could drop from here. It could. How are we doing on the likes, guys? Would you get up to that 75? This would be a place to add to your short, but it's still dangerous to the yeah, I know. That's why I did want to add a couple times. I've been getting the urge, but I'll wait for it to like start breaking down. If we can get a nice candle closure somewhere down like near the 300s and then get a little bit of a retracement, then I'll think about adding. But right now it'd just be basically adding more risk, right? So it could do anything. Yeah, 129 people watching currently. Well, 121 in YouTube, 8 in X. And we've only got about 40 likes. So I guess you know, guys don't like me tonight, and maybe I'm not making enough dad jokes or something, you know. It's all good though. I love you guys regardless, you know. 52 likes. I am building out that form though, guys. See if I can't get this form going. You think the market's going to go to 27,000 next 3 days? I mean, quite possibly. Right? Quite possibly. BB bans Beal. More dad jokes. Whoever doesn't hit like gets an insta ban. If only I knew how to do that, right? And I would never threaten bans for likes, guys. So don't listen to force fed. Don't listen to force fed here. Take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade. Yeah. Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Inky sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up, only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, y'all don't trust you. Got my V-Whack, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let's be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and NQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Name, email, YouTube name. Market still open, let's get this. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that. Country.
Then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade. Yeah. Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. Keith, so it's the same form on the Discord for the next Sunday giveaway, but after this next Sunday, we're going to be starting a new form. So yes, if you filled it out, you're good.
But we're gonna do a different form that I'm gonna post in the chat today, and that'll be for the extra duck race. So, Market Butcher, a Mustang trader, and Clay trader walk into a bar. That's all I got. Somebody else can finish it. LOL. You drove through a speed trap at 40 miles per hour over the limit. Officer says, "I've been waiting for you to come along all day." Me, I got here as fast as I could. I like it. I like it. I like it. Nice. I should have added, hey, should have added to that trade, Richard.
Take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Well, howdy there, everybody. My name's Dave. And today, I accidentally bought the top. Again. I woke up at the Globex Open. Thought my setup looked pretty swell. Then I bought a giant boner candle and immediately...
John, hey, thanks for, yeah, hopefully we're gonna have to see what happens here at the previous day low here at the 96 level. If we rip right through here, it's gonna be a good sign. Oh, we're getting a bit of a bounce there off that initially. You're short with me also? Nice. Let's get a closure below this previous day low would be nice. I'm going to go down to the 3-minute chart actually. I think I better protect some of this profits though if we decide to bounce here. I got to at least lock something in, right? Oh my god, 40 over, yikes, Miss K, ticket or warning. I think it was just a joke though, right? that's her dad joke. I don't think she was being serious, Kyle.
Both of them have better discipline than me sitting at my desk. Even the duck race understands risk.
This one sounds like Plankton, yeah. Oh, look at that move, guys. Look at that. We just slapped right through those levels all the way down. Is this thing just gonna plummet or what? Which pair is this? Oh, it's not a pair. This is MNQ. This is NQ, micro NQ futures.
The duck race starts, the chat goes nuts. Gary's duck is flying fast. Savage princess starts laughing. Poor guy's duck is dead in last. Then 18 seconds left to go.
Well, I hope I don't take a break even on this thing. If this continues bouncing here, that's gonna suck. I guess I should probably lock in a little bit anyways. No, don't do it, man. Don't do it. I added on that pullback there, so this might end up taking me out now, unfortunately, because this is bouncing really hard here. Seriously, guys? Don't do it. Don't do it, man. Oh, you read the joke slower this time? Your stop is 321. Come on, guys. Don't do it. Don't do it. Where's my entry? We're well above my entry there. My add-in.
Well, howdy there, everybody. My name's
I really don't want to get taken out of this trade, but I think I got to do it. So
I accidentally bought the top again. I woke up at the Globex open.
come on, Bears, let's go.
Pretty swell. Then I bought a giant boner.
You got to push back down here.
Immediately rode it straight to hell. Mustang drew me 20 levels. Market butcher said, "Don't chase." 5 seconds later, I ignored them and got repeatedly punched in the face. I'm an Amish trader, a professional account derailer. I see a breakout candle, then I panic buy a trailer. I'm an Amish trader. My risk management is failure. I move my
Come on, Bears.
six times, then blame
Oh, we're out. We're out. Yeah. Big bounce there. It's too bad. I tried to get in to add into this to some continuation, but what did I make there in the end? That sucks. Only $40, guys. That sucks. Yeah, there's a good chance that this is going to continue higher here. Yes, I agree. That's why I had to put my stop in there at that area. So I really should have just, not added into that trade. But how did I know, right? It was, I guess we found support in this fair value gap. Last time you fell asleep, he was the duck one. Yeah.
Both of them have better discipline than me sitting at my desk. Even the duck race understands risk. Even the ducks know when to quit. But somehow I still average down while the whole chat's watching it. I'm an Amish trader.
Yeah, we might be bouncing here. I should have just taken the profit at 150, eh? I mean, it was a $40 winner, which, I mean, it is what it is, but your video reached Brazil. Oh, hey, sweet. Thanks, Draken XD.
Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. Already regretting this.
The add-in got me, guys. I thought that was going to be a good level. We had that.
The duck race starts, the chat goes nuts. Gary's duck is flying fast.
Gary's duck is flying fast.
Laughing, poor guy's duck is dead in last.
Let's get to 1,600 subscriber, guys. Anyone watching and not subscribed, Dave will give an extra an account. Just kidding. Check the ES has not retested previous day low. Yeah, that's true. That's true. So you think we're gonna get a better bounce? This song is cool. Sounds like it would be in a movie. Yeah. This is like my can't think of the name right now. What is his name?
Unlike me. Quack, quack. Good night, everybody.
Let me find the name of that song here.
And everybody had hope. Richard Bauman had a runner on goal, still babysitting while the night got old. Kyle said his girlfriend's out in Indy. Force Fed said, Android, not for me. Red everyday dog training scream. I filled the form with all his dreams. Greg P said, go me, right on cue. Everybody wondering what that duck would do. My duck ran out of gas right before the finish line. My duck ran out of gas.
Oh, there's a Dave Chappelle style song I haven't made yet. Oh, here it is, Amish Trader. Oh yeah, Weird Al Yankovic style. See, if I wouldn't have added to this trade, I would still be in this trade right now. That's too bad. Just a bad add to the contract there. Bad contract add. So you cut it for a slight loss. That sucks. It was giving me Sweeney Todd vibes. Yeah. Yeah, it's a Weird Al Yankovic trading style parody. A trader who keeps blowing accounts while everyone else follows a plan. Full of market butcher inside jokes, boner candles, ducks, VWAPs, Frank, Ralph, and chat personalities. Humorous comedy polka rock song inspired by the fun, goofy spirit of a classic parody music. Fast accordion, tuba, drums, hand claps, crowd chants, and intentional ridiculous lyrics about futures trading VWAPs. Hey William, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Appreciate a subscribe and a like if you feel up to it. We're going to be giving away an account on this Sunday, a 25k Lucid eval. But tonight we're going to be doing a duck race to have a second duck race in the Sunday giveaway. So one thing is, if you want to be entered into the Sunday giveaway, you got to head to the Discord, go to the giveaway channel, scroll to the top of the giveaway channel, fill out a little form in the giveaway channel. That's the pinned comment in the chat there. And then in a few minutes here, once we hit 75 likes, I'm going to post another form in the chat. You fill that form out, you'll get entered into the duck race. And then if you win that duck race, that means if you win the duck race tonight and you have your entry on the Discord, that means you'll have 2 ducks in the Sunday giveaway. So I'm just trying to like incentivize people watching the stream. You know, to the people who support the stream throughout the week get extra duck entries into the Sunday giveaways, basically. Every month we reset the form on the Discord. So after this next Sunday coming up, you'll have to refill out the form on Discord to be in the following 4 Sundays giveaway forms. So there it is. Panky G, what's up? Hugario, welcome. NQ Futures XX. Hey. Shoe bop. $74 likes, guys. One more like, and we're gonna get that form going here. I think I already pretty much have it ready. Hi from DC, trying to keep Trump away from social media. Well, the good thing is he's usually sleeping around this time, so we don't often get Trump tweets at this time. So it is a good time to hang out. NQ Futures XX. Good morning. It's 6:36 here. Wow. So that means you're like in India or something, or maybe in China, somewhere in the Asian side of the world. You just licked the stream, hey? Of course you would do that, wouldn't you? Trump tweets at 1 a.m. to 2 a.m., right? You know, I haven't seen any tweets in like our sessions here. So let me just get this form link here. Okay, guys, here's the form. If you want to click that link there, I just posted in the chat. I'm gonna replace it as a pinned comment. So if you need access to the Discord, because you need to get into the Discord to be entered into the Sunday giveaway, I will copy that right now and share it to you guys. Oh, I'm so sad about that ad. I shouldn't have added to this trade, right? I should have just not added to this trade. So sad, man. So sad. How did I turn that $150 or $170 winner into a $40 winner by adding into it? Because that's like, yeah, 80 points. So $160 winner into a $40 winner with a stupid add-in. Ugh. I guess I should have just left my stop. If I would have just left my stop up where it was, but then it would have been way too much risk, right? Oh, 1 to 2 a.m. he does tweet. Okay, thanks. Thanks, Jerry. Wayne, what's up, bud? So fill out the form there, guys. Get your entry in for tonight's duck race. Whoever wins this form tonight will have an extra duck on the Sunday race. So Eddie Chin, hey Butcher, do you only trade live Asia? No, I'm live Monday to Friday for Market Open, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then I do these Asia sessions Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday evenings. Full disclosure, guys, when hockey season starts, it sounds like a lot of my hockey games are going to be Tuesday nights. So I might end up having to do Wednesday, Thursday, but I will give you guys a heads up ahead of time. So you used to watch Tradeify London session stream. At the time, it would get caught in some tweets. Oh, gotcha. You don't watch Prop for Match for the London streams? Luna trades and Prop for Match? Drinking alcohol, guys. Ugh. Oh, just joking. It's Coke Zero. The Cherry Flow Coke Zero is fantastic. Oh, yes, I do like that. I agree. Dave, did Nick have barbecued monkeyed for dinner. Yeah, it grabbed the internet wire and was like, and then it was like pre-cooked. No. You have a limit to buy at 238, but scalping in between target 527. Nice, Randall. Nice. I don't know how people drink Diet Coke over Coke Zero. I agree, Keith. It's just something about Coke Zero just tastes way better than Diet Coke. I mean, if I have to, like if there's no option for Coke Zero, I'll drink Diet Coke over regular Coke, just because, not because I like the flavor better, but just because I just don't want to have like 70 grams of sugar in a can. You know? Your long gold 3 micros. All right, Richard, good luck in there. You know me, I'm staying away from gold. But it looks really strong right now. Found support in a bullish fair value gap down at 40,000 or 4,017, and bounced real nicely there up to 23. So definitely a good move there. What is the fib retracement looking like here, guys? Right up to there, hey? Ooh, 50% all the way to 527. Third will be a runner. Nice. Second TP's at 26. You're almost there. You're almost there. I'm just so mad at myself for adding into that trade. I really shouldn't have. I should have waited for this type of price action to happen first before I do my add-in. Like when you have a tighter range here, the add-in would have been nice at the 300s. But when I did add in, you know, it's like I was adding in on this bouncing candle. Like I should have been patient here. My entry was what, 362. So that add-in just like ruined my trade. Bad add-in. In theory, if we set a low after sweeping prior day low and weekly low, it should retrace 50%, but it's still very bearish. Yeah, it's a whacked out spot where it was when you added, so tough to call. Yeah, I should have been patient on the add-in, right? Like I shouldn't have added there. Like looking back, I was looking at the 300 level to be resistance, but it was kind of, I should have waited for it to be resistance, right? A unique pattern developed back in 1994, 90% accurate through the years. Really? Yeah, and it's still there. Yeah. The regret gave away, stopped me out in profit, but gave away basically 50% of my profits there. Like, because what did I say? I closed the trade 81. The first contract was closed at $81 in profit, and then I lost 41 on the second contract. So I basically gave half of my profits back on that bad add-in.
Welcome to the race! 17 ducks! One winner! Every
Yeah, this is a, you know, the whole trade idea is going to play out. I guarantee it. Like, we're at least going to get down to the 222 again, probably. Well, not a guarantee. Not financial advice, but yeah. Prudent to be Stogie, Hectron, and Stop Loss all joined the Discord. Who's in charts? Amin? Amin's posting the craziest stuff. Hey, welcome back, Chris. That's a good target. Yeah, I mean, we got this bullish fair value gap. What was I looking at earlier? I think I was just targeting the lows. But 220 is a pretty good level. We got a nice 5-minute bullish fair value gap, maybe 230. Be conservative. My duck ran out of gas, and I'm an Amish trader. Siwa, you're knowing all the music, all the songs, eh? Yeah, you've been around for a minute if you know those songs. Oh, guys, the regret, man. Why did I add to it? Why did I add to that? I should have I got greedy, I guess. 106 points, so $200 right there. 212. The fire's bigger over here? Is it? Yeah, I got the picture is bigger, right? Oh, yeah. Warming up my fingies. What do you think, Kyle? Oh, yeah. Toasty, toasty. You should hear inside my head New York session, a stop loss annihilator. Oh yeah, nice. Degen's anonymous. Where's your limit at? I'm actually out of a trade right now. I got stopped out. Haney Jesus Cruz Ortiz in the house. Welcome, buddy. If you guys haven't filled out the form, we got about 18 entries so far. We got about 8 minutes left on the opportunity to enter into the extra duck for the Sunday duck race. And then also, if you haven't gone over to the Discord and entered the form over there, definitely head over there. I did post the link in the chat. Head to the Discord, as you can see it there. Go to the giveaway channel, scroll to the top, fill out the form in the giveaway channel in the Discord, and you'll be entered in the Sunday giveaway. And then after you've done that, come back to the chat here. The pinned comment in the chat in the live stream there is a form. Once you fill that one out, you'll be entered into the duck race tonight. Look at this thing, man. Sold another micro here, looking at MNQ for a short. Right force fed is just going down. So you guys, if anybody else caught that short with me and didn't do the stupid add-in like I did, I hope you guys are still in this trade now, because it's a killer trade. Killer trade. 200 points. Yeah, $200 anyways. 100-point trade. Right? Is that what it was? Yeah, 110 points. You're in 3 now? Well, you're more patient than I am. I just can't let it go against me. Hopefully your girl's out by now. Yeah. Your micro on gold still working, eh? You above the... Oh, nice. You're above 26, 20, 28 right now. 28.7. Wow. 29. Jesus. You got a bearish for value gap at 32, so I wouldn't be surprised if you get there real quick here. There you go. There you go. Hey, 1.59K subscribers, guys. So we did add some more subscribers tonight. Earlier I checked, we were at 1,581 a couple days, yesterday or the day before, and then I lost 4 subscribers somehow. And then I looked, so I was at 1,577 at the start of today's stream. And now we are at 1,597, guys. We gotta have 3 more people. 3 more people in the chat not subscribed right now. Let's get to 1.6K. Please. Please. Pretty please. Gotta be 3 more people that can subscribe. We got 115 people watching right now. 107 in YouTube, 8 in X. We got 5 people in the vertical stream. So I appreciate you guys' support. Thanks so much. And good luck to the duck race winner tonight. Let's see if we can't get to that 1,600 level. Siwa, thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah, we got it. We got it, guys. Woo! Check it out. 1,600 subscribers. We have 245 in the last 28 days. Sweet, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate the support. Thank you. Am2, hey, thanks for subscribing. I appreciate that. What EMA is that? These are the 9 and the 21. So the purple one is a 21, and the white one is a 9. 29,300. You're short 29,300. Oh. Yeah, so the white one is the 9 EMA. Stop out the gold last micro, but trade was profit. Oh, wow. What a pullback there. Nice trade, though, Richard. Thanks, guys. All right, let's get this giveaway going here. We're going to end the form now. So last second here. I'll give you guys 3 minutes here. 2 minutes. About 2 minutes to get your opportunity to get into the giveaway form. We got 20 entries right now. And like I was saying, make sure if you haven't gone to the Discord and entered on that form, you got to do that also. So we got the form that's pinned to the comment section of the live stream. And that's going to be to enter into tonight's duck race. And then there's a form on the Discord in the giveaway channel for the Sunday giveaway. That's where you're going to get the chance to win the Lucid account. If you win tonight, you're going to get a second duck in the Sunday duck race. Sorry for all the usuals that are here. I know you guys hear me say that over and over all night, but when people are new, I got to just make sure that they understand what's going on. And I still have that 50K Lucid eval that I'm going to be doing a Instagram X giveaway. So yeah, Red, it could be your third duck. So that's the thing is whoever keeps, you know, that's when I delete the form, I'm not deleting the extra ducks, FYI. At some point, I probably will have to restart that, but for now, I'm not deleting the extra ducks. So just an FYI. You guys, if you're getting extra ducks, that means you're actively in the stream. So you're getting those W's by being active in the stream, right? Okay, we got about 40 seconds here. I'm gonna get rid of that form, guys. So last chance to get in on the duck race from tonight. And like I said, if you win the duck race tonight, you get an extra duck into the Sunday giveaway, and then that just increases your likelihood of winning the 25K eval. It'll be a 25K Lucid Flex eval. Am I at 46 ducks yet? You do have an extra duck. You and ForceFed both have an extra duck. Your ducks got erased when you fell asleep. Right? All right, guys, I'm going to get rid of that form. You had your chance to get in there. Don't come after me now. Remove. Now let's go back. Where did that Discord link go? I'm going to pin that one now. There we go. And let's put on the duck race song here. I think is it this one? Yeah, this is it. This is a duck race song, guys. This is a duck race song. Everyone thinks they're winning until the stop loss is hit. Brannick, I see you. I see you. Okay, duck race time. Duck race time. Let's see here. So, names. Edit list. Let's paste this guy in here. Oh, that's I almost used your guys' email addresses, which I don't really want to post. I definitely don't want to post those on the YouTube. My bad. Don't worry, I fixed it. We will not do that. We will not do that. I'm sure you guys don't all want your YouTube. We're bouncing here, hey guys? Bouncing. So 1 minute and 23 seconds. We'll set that. Shuffle, shuffle. Still 2 here, Richard. Get rid of this banner. Full screen. All right, guys. Good luck. So we'll do. We'll shoot for 3 people to get an extra duck into the next Sunday giveaway. So good luck there, guys. Quack, quack, quack.
Yeah.
Brannick.
Everybody got a system.
Everybody got a story, but the market, you don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows?
3, too soon, dumb duck. Yeah. Swim, my little duckling. You want to swim to the back of the pack right now. You want to be in the back. So like where Facile is, or Jerry, or what is that, Tubo? They're in a good spot right now. Miss K, not that great. 18 seconds usually when we get our first stop loss hit. Here in about 3 seconds. See, boom, 18 seconds. Sat got rejected. Jaded got rejected. Miss K got rejected. Randall, Chris, Branitz rejected. Yo, Jim Blob's hanging in there. Force fed. Oh, Batman duck. Oh, Superman got rejected. Who's coming up? Chris. Chris is gonna win here, guys. There, Chris G6F. Chris G6F. Obviously, Chris is here. So I'm just going to head over here and add his name to the list real quick. Give me a second. Separate entries. Chris G6F. Extra duck. Okay, let's do it again here. Good luck. Good luck. Shuffle. Let's go. I know you're here, Chris. I know you're here. I didn't even have to ask. You have a broken feet, haha. Hit that one, Jerry. You're gonna get that speed burst. One will put you in the back first. Coyodongo in the house. What up, buddy? So you added 2 micros into that short. Hey, nice trade there. Drew 69 Malibu. We got Facile, Branitz, Yo Jim Blob.
No shortcuts, no magic formula. Just you.
GCX. What up? 27 seconds here. Who's going to get rejected here? Who's getting rejected? Looks like Yo Jim, Facile, Miss K again. Oh, guys, Randall. Yo Jim Blob, you're still hanging out there. Sat still hanging out. But you know what happens, right? 8 seconds. Oh, Yo Jim, you got rejected. Oh, Sat got rejected. Who's coming from the back here? Matthew. Keith Matthew.
Don't care who you think you are.
Look at that, Keith Matthew. Congrats, buddy. You're obviously still here, right? I think so. I think you're still here, right, Keith Matthew?
I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits. Let the truth unfold. Yeah. VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel like
Keith Matthew, you still here? Keith. Yo, Keith.
Full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design.
Keith. Oh, there you go. Nice. Congrats, buddy. Congrats. All right, one more, guys. Let's get this over with. Shuffle. Start. Good luck here.
One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah.
This is the original song, guys. It's the very first AI song that I made. Panky. Nice bullish divergence. 260 to 300. Is that between NQ and ES, or what's your diversion? ES did make a lower low from the Some people rejected. 2 Panky got rejected. GCX rejected there. Yo, Jim Blob, you've been hanging out in the front of the pack on every race almost, right? Oh, the Witch Duck got rejected. Drew's going to win this one, guys. Looks like Drew's coming from the back here. Drew 69 Malibu again. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Congrats, Drew. Are you here? Obviously, I think Drew's here. I think Drew's here. So I'm going to do a poll here, guys. Let's do a quick poll. Answer the poll, guys. Answer the poll here. Congrats, Drew. So check out the poll, guys, in the chat there. Let me know what your thoughts are. It better be 100%. It better be 100%, or else we're not doing it. Right? Better be 100%, or we're not doing it, guys. Somebody, one of you could ruin it. One of you could ruin it. 15 votes. We should have at least enough votes as many entries as we had in the Discord or in the forum, right? Which is about 20 something. 16 votes. We got 100% yes. 17 votes, 100% yes. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. We got it. We'll do 3 shuffles here this time. All right, good luck. Good luck. Last one here. Gonna end the poll. 21 votes. There we go. Nice job, you guys. 100% yes. Nobody ruined it. Good luck, Jerry. Good luck, Jerry. Force Fed up in the front. Tube in the front. Wayne, Kyle, Shees, Branitz, GCX in the front. Philly Trader.
Keep it tight, trail that stop, protect
37 seconds left here.
We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. MNQ 50 out, then it dips quick. The reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, so we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits.
There we go. Stop losses hit. Randall Paul, look at this guy. Randall's here for sure. Congrats, Randall. Good job. Good job.
Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. MQ crazy, but we ain't that quick. Stop, get sweat, get it, that's that script. Stay alive, that's a real win. Then tomorrow we trade again.
Randall, yes, good job. Here's Randall's here. Nice. Congrats, Randall. Let me add Randall here.
Yeah. Okay. We barely got sleep. And keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up on the NASDAQ too. One of your line, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move.
Very nice, guys. Very nice. The extra duck list is getting bigger. It's getting bigger here. We got oh, what?
up these base hits. Just stacking 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 up these base hits. Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know they get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong. While the market keeps singing it.
Wow, what a pump. What a pump. We're getting a pump here, guys.
Hell yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. MQ pick you out, then it dips quick. In reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset.
Congrats. Let's see. How did we do on subscribers? Did we get any more? Because we did cross the 1,600 level. Wow, guys, 1,606. We got basically 29 subscribers tonight, guys. That's pretty awesome. Thank you. It seems pretty consistent that we get about roughly 30 subscribers. What time do we got here? 10:15 a.m. 10:15 my time. Sorry, 10:15 p.m. That's like 1:15. Richard, you passed your combine. Nice job. That was a really strong closure on that candle. Seems like we're going to pop here a bit, sort of up to the 380-ish area, 367, 70, 80 area. Nice strong closure on that candle, that previous 5-minute candle there, 15-minute candle, sorry. We got a brand new 15-minute candle starting here. We don't want a grind. We want a B candle. We want a BC. Give us a BC here. Give us a BC. BC. Boing. You're trailing the last contract? Oh, you're obviously in a long, right? I like Trump. I won't let go of this hand. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. MQ pick you out, then it dips quick. In reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Yeah, just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits. Trailing the last one, eh? Let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Let my daughter date him. That's the weirdest compliment I've ever got. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. MQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept, get it, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow we trade again. They're just hanging out, getting momentum. Nice. Yes. I see it. Oh, guys. You know what? I think I'm just going to wrap it up here. We had a really solid session. Unfortunately, I added to that trade and I didn't get the nice fat W that I deserved from that entry, but it is what it is. When you mismanage your trades, so it happens. Sometimes all in and all out is the way to go, right? So it could turn here either way. I'm good. Nice, yes. It could go big. So let's do our little shout out like we usually do about this time. Yeah. To our top fans. Jonathan Stonks with the $5 super chat earlier. Thanks, guys. I appreciate that, Jonathan. You're the man. I don't know if you're still here, but thank you. Thank you. Good luck in your real estate endeavors. Good night, everybody. Hey, Keith. Good night, Keith. All right, thanks, everybody. I appreciate you guys. Jonathan Stonks, Kyle Shees, Reds Everyday Dog Training, Jerry Trades, Miss K911, Chris G6F, Philly Trader, Randall Paul, Topple Fiddle, Richard Bauman, Justin Wright, Drew 69 Malibu, Keith Smith, Ryan Entourage, Jaded, Keith Matthews, Force Fed, David Dolezal, Willy Wonkabar, Pavin, Kanzul Islam, Panky, Errol, Hector, Mick Riker, Lone Wolf Blue, Siwa, Wayne, Pacha, Heavy D, Phil Void, Tim Core, Clee, you know Clee, we all know Clee. ICCT Trends, NQ Futures XX, Greg P, Trader Nader, Raricious, Hanel G, Jesus Cruz Ortiz, William Stovall, Yo Jim Knob, John Eden, user LP7GX7XL4Z, GBZ Ninjas, Romeo, Rob Guys, Am2, Branitz, Joseph Espinoza, and Sherelle. Thanks, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Oh, we also had Dranax D in the other chat. Who else did we have? We had, well, Richard came across where he said that. Mopar 300S, Calico Stray, and Smoke 1176 in the vertical stream. So thanks, guys. I'm going to end the vertical stream right now. Have a great night in the vertical stream. Bye-bye, guys. Ended that stream there. All right. Thanks, everybody. I appreciate you guys being here. Appreciate all the support, all the likes, all the people, the new people who have subscribed. I appreciate that so much. You guys are so great to me. So awesome. Make sure if you're looking for any accounts, head over to Top One Futures. If you're going straight to funded, they have a great accounts there. You can use my code Butcher to get their best discount. And then not only that, but Lucid Trading. If you want to head over there, we got the Lucid Pro, the Lucid Flex, and the Lucid Direct. They do have 50% off still for not too much longer. If you haven't used your two purchases, you're allowed up to 2 per trader with the code Butcher at 50% off. Get into a cheap discounted Pro or a Flex or even a Direct account, which they don't often put the discounts on the direct accounts. And then I'm also an affiliate with E8 Markets. So if you guys want to head over there too, it's another option. If you're looking for another firm to trade with, you go there, you click on futures, and then they have the E8 signature account. It is 135 USD after the discount. It has the usual profit target of 3,000 max drawdown, 2,000 end of day drawdown, maximum 4 contracts, pass in as little as 1 day. 1 day pass, guys. You know how it goes, right? What is going on here? Why is that frozen, guys? Is it frozen or is it not? It doesn't look like it's frozen. It's only frozen on the StreamYard. So, but yeah, guys, thank you. Appreciate you guys. Have a great night, Chris, Jerry, Harriet Tickman, Hanil Jesus Cruz Ortiz. What's up? Justine Wright, Jaded T, Richard Bowman. Have a great night. You're crashing after this trade. Good call. Good call. See you in the morning. Good night, Keith, Matthew. Congrats tonight. Yo, Jim Knob, Richard Bowman again. Boing. All right, guys. Thanks so much. I appreciate you guys. Have a great night, and we'll see you live tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m., right before the market opens. Be there, be square. Hopefully, we'll catch some killer trades again. So, peace out. Peace. Good night. Bye-bye.